Are you looking for a quick detail spray that won't break the bank? Stick around and see what these are all about. Everybody, welcome back to another product review. If this is your first time joining, thank you so much. Please consider liking and subscribing. For those of you that are coming back, it's great to have you. Today I wanted to cover quick detail sprays that don't offer any protection and are also affordable. So these are all under $15, depending on where you look, but a lot of them can be found on Amazon or other sites. So we'll jump into it really quickly. What's a quick detailer spray and how do you tell the differences between them? So very specifically for this video, I wanted to do quick detailer sprays that don't really offer protection. What do I mean by protection? You'll see on the market today, it's flooded with, you'll see SiO2 or ceramic infused detail sprays or sealants, right? So this video is not about those. Those products that have SiO2 or ceramics or graphene or things like that in them, those are typically used as toppers or standalone protections that last for many months. You know, some advertise 2 to 6 months, even a year in a spray form. So these products are not those. Some of them claim, you know, weeks or long-term protection, but we'll get into that and we'll really define what that means. But these aren't meant to really add protection. They're just meant as kind of a final step in your wash process or a quick touch-up. Guys, we're gonna do a quick rinseless wash here, and then we'll move into the quick detail sprays. There's just some light dust on it, and I'm also redoing my wash setup, so I don't have a pressure washer available at the moment. So I have Armor Detail Supply Hero, and then I like the 260 Solo. I think it's really great. There's a lot of chatter online, you know, to use an IK, to use a Merilux. I mean, those are great, right? Like, they just put out so much product. I'm not in a hurry. Like, this isn't a race, right? Like, maybe if you're doing this for business purposes, you want to lay down the most product, get it done super fast. This isn't fast and this isn't slow. So I like this. It's automated. I don't have to pump it. I don't have to worry about it. So we'll get into it. Just want to give you a quick look at the rinseless wash. You've seen probably 9 million rinseless wash videos, so that's not this. This is a quick detailer video. So I'll cut here and we'll get into the quick detailer. All right, guys, we are testing right now. Up first, the Griot Speed Shine premium detailer that enhances gloss between washes. Then they have a little thing, the 5-minute detail. I don't know if I love that. Bottle's great, good ergonomics. Do a quick mist. That's 2 sprays. That's how much you need of that. So I think people have a tendency to overuse product and then they might have smearing or other issues. So just keep that in mind. So we're gonna go over it with a couple passes and then with the dry side of the towel. So not the slickest on these passes, but I imagine once we come back, it'll feel much slicker. Flip your towel. Yeah. Feels good. You know, I don't know if I see any more shine. This car is really well polished and ceramic coated. I've got the Nazial 272 on here, so you know, to the eye it might not seem any different, but maybe if we bring it out in the sun later, we'll see it. But yeah, overall, really easy experience and what I expect out of a quick detailer. Okay, guys, next up, P&S Paint Gloss Showroom Spray and Shine. Quick detailer, clay lubricant, quick wax protection, extremely easy to use. I'm gonna have to look up if it actually has wax in it. I think maybe it means you spray it over it and it'll prolong your wax, but I will find out. So give it a shake, shake all your chemicals. We have a new towel. Prime it. Oops. Okay, primed. And you notice I did a little bit more of this. I don't know if this is the sprayer that comes with it. I got this online, so maybe they sent the wrong sprayer, but it didn't really put out too much product, so I sprayed a little bit extra. So Feels similar. Yeah, I definitely put too much on, so just note that. Smells good. We'll talk about smell in the final thoughts. Feels same. I am noticing some more slickness than the Griot's. It just noticeably feels like that under the towel. So I know that's hard to, it's very subjective obviously, but you know, in theory, this car is polished and ceramic coated in the same way. So all the surfaces should feel the same from like a neutral position. It feels a little bit slicker, if I'm being honest. Yeah, it's nice. So we'll keep going. That's your P&S. Okay guys, we move into the G-Technic Quick Detailer, safe for matte and vinyl, flawless finish. Shake well before use, spray on, and they recommend you use their towels, but you do not have to. So give it a shake like all the rest of our chemicals, prime it. These are, I literally haven't used these yet. There we go. Okay. All right. This is also a new towel. Gonna be doing some laundry today. Okay. Similar feel to the Griot's, not like super slick feeling right away, to be honest. Let me flip to my dry side and see how I feel. Oh. Still a little, no, it's pretty slick. In order so far, I'm gonna give the P&S first, slickness. I'm gonna give G-Technic second and Griot's third. But as we keep going, I'll let you know. Also, I don't think there's any scent to this, which is fine. But yeah, does a good job. Okay guys, we are on to the next one. This is Koshchemi Quick and Shine, or QS, all around surface spray. Give it a shake. That's probably all I need. All right, new towel. Everyone knows the rules. Slightly slicker on this first pass. I do notice that. A couple of the other ones definitely felt, I don't want to quite say it grabby, that's not the right term, but they just didn't feel as slick. So that's the first wipe here. Feels a little bit smoother than the others, slicker I should say. So we're gonna come back with our fresh and clean side. Yeah, okay, yeah. Noticeable slickness, noticeably more slick. This just leapt over the P&S in terms of slickness on the panel. Again, I know this is subjective, guys, but just wanted to give you a quick review to compare these in case you were in the market for a quick detail spray under 15 bucks. Yes, by far the slickest. And okay, guys, we are going to move into Geon Quick Detailer. Ooh, slick and very glossy. Slick finish, high gloss and depth. Safe on all surfaces. I don't know what depth means. I mean, I know what it means, but I don't love when companies make claims like that. But I saved Geon for last. A lot of you out there love the Geon. Cool little custom G on the trigger. Nice touch. All right. So, first use here. Oh, there's like a protector on here. Okay. All right, first use. Okay, that's all I'm gonna use, just a few sprays. That's really all that's needed, guys. Don't over apply your quick detailers. Okay, feels really grabby. Noticeably more, like less slick than the others. So I don't know if that means that there's something in this, and then kind of once it dries and cures or something, that it becomes slicker. But noticeable. Same soft towel. I have like 8 of these. All right, we'll flip it. Not as slick. Wanted to go kind of basic, quick detailer. So I don't think you can go wrong with any of these. If you want to do this as your final step of your wash process, that'd be great. If you keep it in your car, again, if something gets on your car, there's a crazy smudge or something happens, this is a great product to use. If you want to use any of these as a clay lube or a drying aid, you can spray it on wet and wipe it off. The only thing with drying aids and spraying on wet is you do, now again, they don't have protection in them, but you're diluting the product. So whatever properties it has in it, you're just getting less of it. So I like to dry the car, and then I spray this on kind of and go through, and typically there's a water spot here and there or a drip that I missed. And then that's when I use my quick detail spray most, just as a finishing step, make sure I got all the kind of, all the last water spots off of it. But again, you can't go wrong with any of these. Anyone that you brand that you're kind of loyal to or that you love, I would give them a shot. If you want to branch out and try some other different products, that's also easy to do too. These are very affordable, under $15, so great options. My top pick though, to give you a real unbiased opinion, is the Kosher Chemi QS. Let me know in the comments, guys, do you like this product? Have you used it? Would love to know what you use for quick detailers, or if there's any other brands that you want me to try in the future. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye all.